Welcome to Anaya's recipes. Today we are going to make Beef Paya recipe. Note the ingredients. Take yogurt. Add the mixture which we created before with the ingredients. Now in cooking bowl add oil. Add onions. Fry the onions until it gets brown. Add the mixture of yogurt. Cook in low flame. Add boiled paya with soup. Add water. Cook the paya on medium flame for 25 minutes. Your mouth-watering beef paya is ready to serve. If you like our video, subscribe and support us. Thanks for watching.